welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, you're still welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some new home decor that I just picked up from the store today, and also some packages that have been delivered to me because I told you guys I would keep you up to date with some of the stuff I'm getting for the house. Of course, I don't want to show you everything because I'm waiting until I film the furnished department tour, which is not going to be for a while because everything's out of stock. But I'm going to just show you guys what I got today and some of the packages of some of the stuff that I have got. So let's get into it. I'm gonna put these packages to the side for now, and we're gonna look at the stuff I actually bought today. So I have this bag and this bag. Let's start with this bag. And if you see some stuff in the back, those are just like some like chairs I have, but it's not put in its right place yet because the house is not finished. Anyway, let's go. Honestly, Target is so expensive that I like Target, but I don't be shopping there that much because I spent like $400 at Target when I first got here, and I was like, there are cheaper stores. So the only thing I really love from Target that I have to get is this candles here. They have these tea tree spearmint candles, and they smell so good. My favorite scent is peppermint, spearmint, eucalyptus, those kind of minty scents, and so these are my absolute favorite candles. And I had to get this little baby one to go with it because I like to have a candle in my kitchen and I like to have one in my bathroom. So these baby ones I like to put in the bathroom, and that's all I got from Target. Moving on to the next bag, I got these little planters, and these planters are for your plant. And basically it's for like if your plant is like leaning, then you can put them in so it can kind of like get back straight. And so I had to get these because Verde is just, she's acting up. She has a personality of her own, but I'm excited to put these in so she can start growing straight. Or she probably won't go straight, but at least she will be straighter when I put these in. Next up, I actually got some more candles because I went to Home Goods, and I mean, I just feel like I go through candles so fast that I'm like, I should just start collecting them, you know? Anyway, like I said, they're all the same scent with a twist because I love mint, and so that's the scent I always get usually. I got this candle, which is eucalyptus plus jasmine, which looks really pretty. I also get candles like how if they look good, they have to look nice too, not just like smell nice. I mean, smell is the most important thing, but I like it to like be pretty too. I got 2 of these eucalyptus sea salt candles, and this smells so good. It smells like mint beach. That's like the best, and I love how the color, it goes with my kitchen, so I love that. And this small one for the bathroom is the Scentus eucalyptus candle, and like I said, it's very small, so I like to put these small ones in the bathroom, and they all just smell so good. The last thing I got from Home Goods today was this throw blanket. This throw blanket from Home Goods I got today because I feel like I needed a pop of color on my bed, and I had a blanket that was this color, but I had to throw it away because it was shedding like crazy. It was bad. So I got like a similar color, but it's more of like a soft kind of furry texture, and it's gonna keep me warm because Portland is freaking cold in the morning and cold at night. During the day it's okay, but like in the morning and the nighttime, I be literally turning on the heat, and it's summer because it just gets cold out of nowhere. So this will do the trick. Now we're gonna get into these packages. These are stuff that I bought online and it got delivered to me. So let's just open them up. This one, I think I know what it is. It's from Namineyt, something. Jewelry on Etsy, but it's not jewelry. I'm pretty sure it's this dish that I ordered for the bathroom. Yeah. So it comes in a little package like this, and it's like a little dish that you put your jewelry in. But this one is like so cute because I ordered it to say, it says BDN Forever on it. Now BDN is like a group of my collective best friends. Our full name is Bandaneers. It's like so corny, but that's our name, so we go by BDN. So I wrote BDN Forever on this. Now I think about it, I should have got one for like all of us, but I got one for me, and it's so cute, so I could like put my jewelry on it because we have like some matching jewelry that we like got as friendship stuff, and and I take them off at night, so I wanted somewhere to put it. So that's what this is for. This, I know what this is too. Okay, so basically I got this really nice like kitchen plate set, I guess, dish set from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I broke one of the bowls the other day, so I just bought a new one online because I wanted to do the full set. It's just like such a really pretty bowl, and I just wanted to have like the complete set of everything for. So I went and bought it again, and you can find this at Bed Bath & Beyond. This set is like such a pretty set, and you'll see it in my like fully furnished tour. I'll show you like, you know, where I keep them and stuff, but they're just so pretty, so I had to get another one. Next up, this black packaging. I have actually no idea what it is, so I know it's probably something I ordered from Etsy, because like Etsy has like individual shoppers or whatever, individual stores, so like all the packaging comes differently. But let's take a look. So you know like how on your bathroom sink, like you just have like a bunch of stuff. Some people keep like perfumes, or like of course do like toothbrush and toothpaste, whatever. So it could just be scattered around and look kind of like busy. But I wanted to get a little like cement, I guess, stone thingy, so I could like put all the stuff in there, so it like, it just looks better, I feel like. So that's why I got this from Etsy. It comes in multiple colors, like white, black, and gray, stuff like that, but I just got the gray one because it matches my bathroom vibe. It's like only 10 inches long, so it's not too big, so it won't like clutter your bathroom space. I wish I could show you guys, but not yet. Aww. The thingy came with a card, the cement thingy. This is from Fibala, by the way. Fibala, F-I-B-A-L-A. Oh, I thought it was a card. It's just a receipt. It also comes with these little things you can put at the bottom, so it's not just like directly on your sink. So you can put them underneath and it doesn't like scratch. And this is my last box. I know exactly what it is, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's from Target. Take a guess. What do you think it is? What do you think? What do you think? Leave it in the comments. Oh, I hate when it's a box within a box. That's so annoying. Yay! Wow, this is so pretty. I knew it was gonna be pretty, but like, it's really pretty. No way this is supposed to be on there, right? No. So it is this clock I got from Target, and I got this clock because it's so decorative. Of course it actually works, so I'm gonna set it to the time, but I'm gonna put it on my gallery wall because I feel like a gallery wall shouldn't just have photos. It's really cool if it has like some other accents on there, so it's not just like plain, but it's kind of like 3D, if you know what I mean. So I got this clock to go with my gallery wall, and I'm gonna set that up when I get the rest of the pictures. But it's so pretty in gold, and it comes in silver as well, and I think bronze, and I love it. So that's gonna go there. Anyway, that's it for my home decor haul today. That's pretty much everything that I have unboxed today or gotten today for the home. I'm getting stuff little and little here and there, here and there. So I'll try to make videos to show you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow my journey on Portland or whatever, wherever it is. You can follow it if you like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you, Nami Nation, in the next video. Bye!